another food festival. And today I'm here with my sister and my boyfriend. Hitting another food truck festival because it's summer and can you hear the music being a lot louder. This food truck festival is in this little small town or county in the Anoka county. So here we are. And we're very hungry. Haven't ate anything. It's already 3 p.m. We arrived at the food truck festival scene and we are here. And it's right behind us. Now we're gonna go eat because we're very, very hungry. From the Filipino food truck, we decided to get 2 pork skewers, and they were like $3 each. So let's go ahead and try them. Hey, so what did you get?
Frog legs.
Frog legs, and they're deep fried.
Yeah, barbecue and hot sauce.
How do you like the pork skewers? Is it good?
Kind of dry.
Kind of dry. How's the frog legs?
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken. Have you ever had frog legs?
Never.
No? You should try it. I'm going to try the pork skewers now. It's good, but it is kind of dry. I think if it was like a fatter piece of meat, it would be a little bit more tender. But it's like kind of sweet and charred. Are you thirsty?
Try some?
Yes.
Here, I'll feed you.
Yeah. Dip it in sauce. I haven't had frog in so long.
Yeah. How does it taste like?
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah,
I think
it's
it's a crispy outside.
It's his first time trying frog legs ever. Are you excited?
Nope.
It tastes like chicken, I promise you. Dip it in some sauce.
Changed man.
See, I told you. Doesn't taste that bad. Doesn't taste fishy at all. No. Hello. So what else did you get?
And then I got rice with chicken and fish ball.
Oh. Ooh, it looks bomb. How is it?
It's good. It's mostly ice. Liquids are in the bottom.
Little.
So this beef blah is $10. Was it worth it? No, I just had a taste of it.
I'm sorry.
And it's actually kind of sweet. It doesn't taste like lot at all.
Good. So I don't know.
And this is supposedly the best chicken saute. We'll see about that. Is it good? Is it tender and juicy? Yeah? Okay. I don't know, I'm a big skeptical after I had that pork skewer. Okay. That's good. Very tender and charred. But it needs a little bit more salt. Whoa, Great Danes. They're so big. Okay. Oh, how do they look? Oh, you gotta touch it. Yeah.
3 pictures, count down between each one.
3? Oh, okay. 3 pictures.
A normal one.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wait, get ready.
I'm not ready yet. Oh,
Are you serious?
oh, here.
Oh my god, that first one was so fast. Look at this failure. We obviously did not understand the instruction. Only the last one was good, and that's the funny one. Oh my god.
We're supposed to be models.
Yeah. Nope. He got the ice cream, got the 2 gummy balls at the bottom. It's so nostalgic. This used to be like $1 or less back in the old days. And what did you get?
Strawberry shortcake.
Oh yeah, the best one. Yeah, while they're eating ice cream, I'm gonna eat my burrito. And we bought this when we were eating the chicken saute, the beef fla, but then we couldn't eat it because we had no hands. So now we're going to eat it. And we are sitting next to the river in the shade. And it's less people over here. So the burrito has tater tots, barbecue pulled pork, I think some coleslaw in here. It's really good and salty. And I hear Pokemon. But yeah, it's delicious. This was for like 12 bucks and it's humongo. It's bigger than like the Chipotle burrito. Oh! I finished the burrito. It was so good. I was gonna save it and bring it home later, but I just ended up eating it all. I don't know, I just don't feel full. But yeah, it was really good. Totally worth it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yes. So Pat got some cheese curds for $7 bucks. How is it? Good? Salty. But it's good. It's cheese curd.
I like fish and chips. It like looks pretty good. I like needs more salt.
It does need more salt. But oh my god, it's a big piece of fish. It's actually 2 pieces. We are done eating for today. We ate a lot of food and I ate a whole burrito by myself basically. And the fish and chips kind of killed us at the end because it's fried food, it's heavy. We're done eating. We're going to head back home and take some naps. But thank you guys for watching our video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.